Hey guys, it's Mr. Riz here. I'm going to leave my mask on right now because there's another class going on. Hopefully you can hear me. If not, just turn the volume up. Today what we're going to do is going over App Inventor, just the introduction to it, and then how to get it onto a tablet. So go ahead, log into Canvas. I'm going to screen share here. And you guys can see that. And I'll try to make my video larger when we need to. But right now, we've completed Ozari, you got that. What we're gonna do now is to use the App Inventor. So we're gonna just test it out, make sure we have it. So the first thing I want you guys to do is to click this link here. This will take you to App Inventor. And what you guys will need to do is to create your own login. Now, I already have mine set up, so it's hard for me to show you, but continue. In fact, let me try something. I don't have to open a new incognito tab, and then I need to make sure that I'm sharing this for you guys to see. All right, so what you got to do is just sign in with your Google and get logged in. So you're going to create an account. I'm sure you guys are still seeing this on App Inventor with your Google, and you might see this stuff. You can just go ahead and click it out. Now I'm going to go to my projects, and you probably have a couple things here. I'm just going to move the trash there. You probably have nothing, but I have a couple things because I've looked some things up. So with App Inventor, we can start a new project, which that's what we'll do on our next assignment. But for right now, what we're going to do is just to test some other apps out that have already been made. So if you guys go to your first assignment here, the test out example MIT AI app or App Inventor app, I want you guys to go to this link. Ooh, come on, move out of the way. And this link will have a whole bunch of different things. So what App Inventor does is they make monthly winners, and people will submit their app of what they like. Now you can see here there's a whole bunch of different apps. What I want you guys to do is to find one of these apps, and we're going to download it and play and test it out. So here we go. Like here's a game called Dino Rescue. 17-year-old Christopher from the US created this fun gift. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And this will actually, if I click open the app, we'll just name it Dino Rescue. We can keep it the same name. It will go and add it to my projects, or it's loading right now. So this is how we find an app online that we can go ahead and take this. Now, this is what a student worked on, probably for a whole project to create. So this is going to be a pretty big app. In fact, this is taking a lot of time to load. So I wouldn't be surprised if this will work or not. It might take even longer time if you're on the Chromebook to load. See that? So I'm going to pause the video until it gets done. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we got Dino Rescue here. If we wanted to, we can look at the blocks. And if I can zoom out here, this is all the coding he did for all this game. It's probably even more. Go back to the designer. This is the view of it. Now, in order to test this out, we're going to use our tablet here. So if you can see me on the screen, I have a tablet. And we're going to use this at the same time. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'll make myself larger. And I'm going to take the tablet. I'm going to turn it on. Now, if you have your own phone, just make sure you have the app here. And this app is the, if you can see it there, it is the MIT AI2 app or companion app. I'm going to go ahead and open it, and not much is going to happen. So if you want to test this out on your own, you're going to get a screen that looks like this. Or if you have your phone, you'll get a screen. You just got to make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi as your computer. Now on your computer end, we're going to go ahead and click Connect AI Companion. So if you guys can see on your screen, they give you a code or a QR code to scan. I'm going to just take my tablet out and I'm going to type in that code. IJVZEO. Each time you do this, it will give you a different code. I click Connect with Code. Now on the screen, you can see it's loading and it's actually sending, it's connecting to the tablet and sending all the data and information to the tablet so it can run. Now this isn't an actual app that's loaded onto the computer. It's running through a shell. But we can see now I have the Dino Rescue and I can play it. I can click play and I go through all that work. Oh, it stopped. Okay, so that will happen, especially with our apps that we have. Some of these are too big. No, they might actually break the companion app. And if that ever happens here, I'm just going to do AI companion. You can see I got a new code. I'm going to try that one out again. THXUUN. So everything that we will make from scratch here will be very small, very simple, not complicated at all. These are people submitting apps to try to win a monthly prize. So their apps are way more complicated than what ours will be. What the heck? That didn't even look right. We'll try that again. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is to find some apps. If this doesn't work, find another one. But then I want you guys to answer the simple questions here. Okay, so in your document down here, you'll type in, okay, which app did you choose? So if you click Dino Rescue or another one, why did you choose that app? So what features did that app have? Was it like a memory game where you just had to click and guess until you got it right? Or was it like a puzzle, or did it do something? And then if there was anything you could add to the app to make it better, what would it be? So that's your first assignment, to get an app tested out and tell me all about it. All right, if you guys need some help, let me know, but I think you guys should be fine. You guys have a great rest of your day.